TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't make assumptions. Ask for what you want. This is a great card. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 114, NASDAQ up 51, S&P's up 17, gold contract down $5.20, trading at $11.60 an ounce. Silver down 21 cents, $16.97 an ounce. Platinum up $3, $9.35 an ounce. Copper down 2 pennies at $2.59 a pound. Light sweet crude flat, $52.81 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note flat, 123.31. 30-year bond up 12 ticks, 148.31. Both the notes and the bonds continue to have a hard time holding on to higher price. We'll see whether they can make that bottom. My take is that they're making that bottom, but man, they're having a hard time doing it. King dollar. King dollar up 66 ticks, traded at 101.115. What King dollar has happening right now, folks, is this. So we had 2 weeks ago, King dollar breaks topside over the 100.600 area. That has been in a consolidation since March of 2015. Breaks topside. Last week, goes downtown, comes right back under and inside the consolidation. Monster volume. Goes topside again, also last week. Guess what, though? We have 2 high volume lows under the 100.600 area. Yesterday, you tested the high of December 5th. Failed on price, failed on volume. King dollar looks to me like we're going to have another test, and I expect, guess what? 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, that test is going to be had. There's going to be a lot of tests at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, folks. Euro's trading at 106, and the yen is at 115.20. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. On what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? SPY got to 228.34. You did 101 million shares. Dow Industrials, all of 47 points away from 20,000. That thing will get tagged tomorrow sometime. You're that close to that number, why not, right? NASDAQ Composite. What do we have with the Composite? Composite took out the highs a few days ago. We got to 54.86 today. You're at 54.63. The last high up here was 54.50. So bottom line, you're still at a higher price. NDX 100, that was the NDX's 100 chance today. Not chance. The bottom line, they did it. NDX goes to a price point of 49.60. We closed at 49.35. 49.11 is the number. Bottom line, if we take a look at the 3 Qs. Now, the NASDAQ didn't get volume. The 3 Qs did, though. The 3 Qs, we did 53 million shares. It wouldn't be a case of an ABC structure on the way up because you still have volume on the way down. The definition of an ABC structure on the way up is you go up with volume, you pull back with lighter volume, you go up with volume. In this case, we'll pull back with volume. But bottom line, it's over those highs. The highs we're talking about is $119.66. What you did have is that coming into the close out here, we basically closed where we opened this morning. Well, actually a little bit higher, 10 minutes into it. But someone threw some real juice coming into this, into the close also. The last trade out here was 2.7 million. We'll see where that shakes out. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold continues to hold that 1152 area. We got to 1156 out here today. You did 1.3 million contracts. That is going into, let's get this baby up here. So, okay. So on this contract here, this is cool. Okay, so we got to a low yesterday in the gold contract of 1152.50. That was testing the prior low that had 222,000 contracts. We did 167,000. So we rejected lower price. We had lighter volume. And you're still in that range. So what we need now is a sign of strength. Silver. What do we do with the silver contract? Silver is stronger than gold. Still is stronger than gold. SIH7. It's pretty amazing, folks, that we're in. All the contracts now are in 2017. That's it. That's coming right up, baby. 2017. So silver out here. Silver showed its strength on December 7th. So December 7th, silver goes from a price point of $16.70 to $17.30. Does 65,000 contracts. Today we did 44,000. You do a sideways move. I like how silver's set up. Silver looks to me like 1723 is going to be game. If we get that to be game, we're going to see some action inside this market. Well, bottom line, we're going to see action in all these markets when this statement comes out tomorrow. We're going to take a look at the XAU and the HUI. XAU and the HUI, they both look pretty good out here today. We had the XAU up 92 cents, $81.19. Now, that is in the higher range. Gold Bugs Index has a lot more work to do. They both rejected lower price out here today. Gold Bugs Index was trading at 176.93, closed at 181.91. That being said, that has to get up into the 195.61 area to get big traction. Bonds. What do we got? The bond market. Bond market, folks, is having a tough time holding on to price here. We take a look at this, and what you're going to see is that the 10-year, excuse me, folks, we traded to 124.10, and what we didn't get is that we didn't get juice behind the move. You know, thus far, what the bond market has refused to do is go to lower price. Yesterday, you came into the low of 1.8 million contracts. You did 1.4, and you rejected lower price. Now you need a sign of strength. That's on the 10-year. 30-year set up the exact same way. 30-year out here, USH7. 30-year. That is trading at 149 even. And inside of this one here, what we also did, that's good. And inside of 148.11 is the number. So 30-year got down to 147.10, rejected it. Bottom line, you know, we'll see if it can catch a sign of strength. And good old King Dollar. King Dollar's just hanging here, you know, a few ticks above that 100.600 mark that I expect is going to get tested. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back.
If you're an active trader looking for that extra edge when it comes to trading and investments, then now is a great time to get a 2-week free trial to Tom O'Brien's daily market letter, Market Insights. Tom O'Brien's daily newsletter, Market Insights, comes out every market day at around 9:30 a.m. and provides Tom's daily commentary on the broad market, including the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P, plus specific trade recommendations. There's even an update published most afternoons to keep you informed about the day's market activity. He'll give you the entry price, price target, and stop price of each stock and option trade. With Market Insights, there's nothing left to guessing. For all the details and to get your 2-week free trial to Market Insights started today, visit TFNN.com.
Has the current market volatility